today is going to be the first day of van
build.
We are by no means professionals, but if you want to know what we did and what we bought and where we got it from, make sure you stay tuned. We actually purchased the 170 wheelbase 2500 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter.
Right. She's beautiful.
She is beautiful, you guys. She is absolutely beautiful. And she runs like a champ.
Oh, she
when
does.
I tell you that we ran her for 24 hours straight, like Faustino and I on the way back, he would drive 2 hours and I would drive 2 hours. So she ran for 24 hours.
Yeah. Without further ado, let's start knocking out these panels and unscrewing all this. So for the inside, we were using this 25, I think it's called a hex. I call it a star screw or a hex screw. And that's what we're using to take it off.
This is how far we've gotten so far. So I was able to take off the panels from here. Right now I am kind of stuck because this door still hasn't come off. Faustino is still looking for the tools for the door and I'm unable to get to these two screws, so I can't take the entire panel off. Also, there's this thing. I'm not really sure what tools we're gonna need to take this off, but you see that this is kind of stuck in the middle, so I'll be unable to take off the panels until we're able to get that down. Top panels are taken off, and we're still working on this door. So it looks as if we finally found the right tool in order to take off this bulkhead, and soon this door will be down. Oh. And now that the door is down, I can actually continue to take the makeshift wall off. Oh guys, and you guys know that we're in Louisiana. It is so hot out here. It's only like 10 o'clock in the morning, but we kind of expected this, so mentally we're kind of prepared. Got the walls out, we got the screws out, we got the, what is that, the bulkhead? We got that out, and what we're gonna do now is we are attempting to take out the floor. Now there is adhesive that's stuck to the bottom of the floor, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult. I think that we might just need some gloves, but here goes nothing.
It's on the full wall.
Okay.
Let me check the other side. Velcro.
It was two. It was two. Okay, cool. So, now that we have the floor up, it's time to sweep this mess up. This is going to be our first of probably many trips to Home Depot. So we got the floor up, we got the walls out, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go inside and we're gonna get a wire brush extender.
A wire brush for the
drill. Yeah, so for the drill, so that we can actually try and get some of the adhesive off the floor. So we're gonna do that. I think that we actually need some more primer.
We could, maybe one more can.
I thought you said we needed 2 cans more.
I don't think so. I think 2 should be enough.
Okay, so maybe we need another one, maybe we don't. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna see. So we're gonna try to get as much stuff from Home Depot as we can, so we can try and cut down on the trips, because this is really one of my least favorite places to go. So wish us luck, guys.
All right then.
Okay, so this is it, you guys. This is what we are here for. We're gonna get this and put it on a drill so that we will be able to remove the adhesive, and then we'll be able to prime and paint the floor.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
So we just made it back from Home Depot, and we got some Rustoleum to spray on the floor. We're gonna kind of do a prime and then paint to kind of prevent rust. We also have this little apparatus that we're going to use. It's called the crimped wire wheel, and what we're going to do is just put it on a drill and kind of use it on the floor to remove some of the adhesive that's on the floor. And we also bought some silicone. Now the silicone is going to be great because we're going to get a chance to fill in all of the holes, and we're going to also use this on the panel. Until later, deuces! So right now what we're trying to do is keep everyone in the loop. I have my Instagram and Facebook here. This is the vlog camera, and the camera that I'm on right now is the B-roll camera. So we're just trying to basically make sure we have every step down for you guys. We're gonna do this step by step because that's how we're learning it, step by step, because of course we have no experience in building vans whatsoever. So we are right now attending YouTube University, and I think we're doing pretty good. So this is what we have so far. Yep. She's almost done. When I say almost done, I mean she's almost prepared for the subflooring, because I think that when I see the subflooring, then it's gonna start coming together. Yes. It's coming off pretty easy, but this is a heavy tool, and being bent over and trying to only get the adhesive strips. Child, this is a little bit more work than I expected. No, I'm just kidding, but this is heavy. This shit is heavy.
So guys, so what we just did was basically wash off the bottom of the floor with just a rag and some soap. We're just trying to clean up some of the grime and find some of the rust spots so we can go through and spray it right quick. We're trying to use a drill to scrape off the I guess the old glue, but it seemed like we were just smearing the glue and just scratching the paint off the metal. It's already painted, so we kind of said let's just stop on that and let's just wash it and spray it, and let's see what happens from there.
Is very, very important. Sheesh. are back at Faustino's favorite store. Why is it Faustino's favorite store? Because if you recall, we were here once and Faustino said we didn't need any more primer. We didn't need any more. I'll insert that clip right here. Thought you wanted to get 2 more. You just said that.
No, I said 2 should be good.
Oh, so we don't need any more.
I don't think so. I think 2 should be enough.
Yet, here we are, back at Home Depot.
Is your ass on?
Okay, so today, guys, today was the first day, and it was to be expected. I mean, it was a lot of work.
It was.
It was a lot of work. But I'm satisfied with the outcome. We actually were able to get the walls out. We got the floors out. We also took the partition out. We were able to treat it and spray it for rust. We only had to make 2 stops to Home Depot, so that's always good because that's one of my least favorite places to be.
Right, so but there's a couple of other spots we gotta hit. We'll probably hit them up tomorrow. There's a spot where the metal door was scraping right on top of the ceiling, so we definitely gotta treat that. There's some rust already right there. We
went through a lot of water today. There was a lot of sweating today. It's hot, y'all. We are in New Orleans, and it is super hot out here.
Boy, it's hotter than hot. He's hot, hot, hot.
It's hot. I think we're working at about 98 degrees here in like mid-August.
And it feels hotter.
So hopefully you enjoyed our first episode on van build. We'll put some links down below to where you can find some of the products that we purchased. Some of it's on our Amazon store. Make sure you guys check that out if you're interested in van building or just want to know what we're buying.
Yeah, and a small disclaimer, guys, you already know that we know nothing about building vans, so there's going to be a lot of things that we do that you probably wouldn't do, but look, we're all learning in the process, so it is what it is. It's hot. That's what it is.
It's hot.
Sheesh, it knocked my curls out. But my color is still popping.
It's still purple. Yes, it is.
So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be it. It is 5 o'clock. Faustino and I started for 10, and we're gonna call it a day.
Yeah, and I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow, and remember, tomorrow we will be doing the panels.
Right, the side panel. Don't forget to subscribe,
like and subscribe. Share. Thank you, guys. We absolutely love you, and we cannot wait to take you on this journey with us.
Right.
All right, well, until tomorrow. Deuces!
I need you.